Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Project Motor Racing game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, let's here follow the fixes. The first fix, simply restart your PS5. So just press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for few seconds and then press power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out. Now wait for few minutes and then log in back. Now if you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Or you can simply restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Fix 5. Rebuild database. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Project Motor Racing and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 6. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and account, scroll down and then go to the other and then go to restore license. Select Project Motor Racing game and then select restore. Then select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 setting, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Now select Project Motor Racing game and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual and now in the primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK and then relaunch the game again and check if your problem is fixed or not. And the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall the game from your PS5 console, restart your PS5 and then just reinstall the game and check. If that doesn't work, then if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Project Motor Racing game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix Project Motor Racing game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.